Each time a new Jeep platform comes out, each of us that have been true to our two-letter Jeep designation find ourselves lost in the shuffle. We feel neglected and left behind and tucked away in the corner. But not at TeraFlex. Yeah, the jail is awesome, blah, blah, blah. But our JKs are an extension to our very being, and we know how they will react to any condition. But that doesn't mean we don't want the latest TeraFlex innovations available. And they haven't forgotten about us. Okay, you've all heard about these new TeraFlex IR bushings. These lifetime maintenance-free arms reduce stress from flex. The internal contact surfaces of the rotating sleeve feature an extremely tough hardened bearing surface that is factory lubricated and permanently sealed. The hard steel bearing surface and O-rings eliminate residue. It has 360 degrees of rotation, reducing bushing bind, giving us the confidence to offer a lifetime warranty. Not only do we use our Jeeps off-road, let's be honest, the majority of us use our Jeeps on-road as well. So the IR bushing will allow for a great quality ride from both situations, which is crucial to those of us who want to have a great riding Jeep as our daily, but also perform exceptionally off-road.